Hi guys, haven't seen you for a while. We are sorry for that, but well, we've been so incredibly busy that even Adrian was swinging spanners here and not doing videos. We have a Zill. We've got a Soviet piece of engineering right here, and we're going to fix it. We're going to put a capitalist engine in.
That's offensive.
Yeah, I mean genuinely though.
Yeah.
This is the I think the best way to make
sense
Zill.
of it.
Yeah, this makes Zill run in the UK and make sense.
More power.
I said make sense 2 times.
More fuel economy, more reliability, more spare parts.
I would say it's a Mad Max build. Stay tuned. So today we're going to move the Zill. We're going to chop off the back end. We do a lot of chopping on trucks lately. We're going to chop off the back end, lift it up, so we'll be able to drive it into our shop and do the engine swap. Yeah.
It's in.
Okay, I need to kill it.
Oh, that was very easy.
Right. There's a fair amount of chopping that we've got to do, so we'll get on it.
Yeah. So basically, it's supposed to be body on frame, done weld to the body. Don't weld the body onto the frame, bolted. It's welded, so we need to chop it to bolt it.
What?
Hey. Something warm for my cold-hearted friends.
Yeah, you see all that coffee on top of that one right there? Yeah, do you know where that went? Like where the excess of that is?
In the excess?
Now on my skin. It's painful.
We went through what we thought is all of the welds, but obviously we couldn't pick it up still, and the entire truck went up in the air, which was
not ideal.
not ideal.
But quite cool.
Yeah.
So the back end was originally built by Monster Energy for some sort of event / ad in the UK. Sadly, we weren't provided with any manual.
Obviously they did it quickly, so no one cared.
It's we are not complaining. It's it's a thing when you pick up a completely custom vehicle. We wound up going into it later, chopping it up and actually lifting, which you can see here. And the next step was to clean up all of the mess it left, because it wasn't really...
I mean, chassis was never protected, so they just laid on the welds, and whatever weather did with it, it happened. So it was covered in rust and swarf and like bird's nest and everything.
So, oh yeah, there was a bird's nest. So, let's get into cleaning the chassis.
Once we lifted up the back end, it turned out that the chassis had some notches in, and it was, in general, it was just not happy. So we had to fill it in with some welds and then grind it off to make it look pretty. And now we're obviously going to have to paint it, but you'll probably see it soon, at some point.
And that's what we did. Alright, so that's it for episode 1. This is all about chassis and the plans for the Zill. I did nicely sort of cuts of this section. And next week...
in a part 2 electric glue, we're going to go over the engine, making space for it and putting it in, and...
basically a rough crash course guide on how to power your Soviet truck with a capitalist engine, capitalist gearbox, and retain the 6x6ness of it.
Yep.
And triple its power. Or more.